at first that it was going to be very hard because you had to take notes and watch a video at the same time. But after I learned that you could sort the notes after you watch a couple parts of the video, it seemed more easier than just taking notes while watching the video. And I thought it was a lot more easier and more relaxing.
I like the SCR because I think I'll have like a better idea of how to take down my notes.
Because on our other note-taking system, you wrote the notes, but you didn't get to sort them and you didn't get to think them through because you were so focused on taking the notes but watching the video at the same time.
I think for the most part it's working because the students have more time to process the information that's being presented. Whereas in the past, even though we were playing the videos once and the first time and they were just watching, and then the second time they were watching and taking notes, that's all they got. There was never a point in which they actually discussed the notes that they took, or they went back and either reorganized them or added more information to them. What I found is that because we have all those pauses and they're taking time to go back and look at what they wrote, add more things, organize what they wrote, and then discuss it with the people at their table, they're adding more information and the notes are a lot more meaningful. Like for example, the ICT class, about 80% of them had the correct main idea of the story that they watched.